Hi, I'm Nick with RV Designer. Today I'm going to show you how to install a gas prop on an RV. So based on the numbers that we see on the gas prop that we have here, it shows that it's a 60-pound gas prop, 20 inches long. Based on those numbers, we use our handy gas prop guide to pick out the gas prop that we need for this RV. So it's 20 inches at 60 pounds. Using the chart that shows that we need the number 25, which is what I have here in my hand. Number 25 gas prop. So to install a new gas prop, it's fairly simple. All you need is a screwdriver, flathead, and to remove the clips from the existing gas prop that's on the unit, just by pulling them out. So now the gas prop just easily snaps on to the existing hardware. That's all it takes.